Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone, and welcome back to another week on the stream. What is up? We actually got another month. It is August, baby. This is the first time I've been excited about an August in a while, simply because this whole market, this whole year has been opposite world. So we've been, all the good months have been bad. So hopefully the bad month will be excellent. Fix my mic. There we go. Good morning, everyone. Let's turn some music on. I'll get to the chat. Hey, what's up, Discipline? Good morning. Good morning. Got my Powerade right here. Scott B. Good morning. Potsy. Good morning. Discipline. TBLT. Amazon PR. Interesting. Okay. I'll pull that up in a minute. Chris Jubb, good morning, good morning. Man, GovX is going nuts today, huh? Finally going nuts. I'm sick of it. I hate that stock. Can't stand it. You guys have a good weekend? Yeah, I had a good one, Chris. I didn't really do much, but it was a good weekend. Wasn't bad. Wasn't bad at all.
Cap.
Got back from fishing last week. Sweet. Was that fun, Scott? Yep, got some crabs. I'm in Maryland, drank some beer, hung by the pool. Sounds like a good weekend.
CMRX.
Yeah, I didn't really do a whole lot this weekend. It was raining here yesterday, so I couldn't really do pool day yesterday. And then Saturday, what did I do Saturday? I did something. I don't remember. I did something at some point. TNXP getting volume now.
LTRYW.
So you got a 5-pound largemouth bass, big for Michigan. Wow, 5 pounds, pretty big for a fish. Hey, Snacks, what's up? Oh, what's the holiday in Canada today? I'm not gonna make a maple syrup reference, I promise. So yeah, GovX 450. This thing was owning our soul at where is that at? 205, 210. Civic holiday, okay. Hey Jordan, good morning. Hopefully this will be the first August that's been good since I've been trading. So 2016, trash. 17, trash. 18, trash. 19, trash. 20, trash. 21, trash. 22. Maybe it's good. We'll see. You know, when the rest of the year has been trash, then we got a good shot. We got a real good shot.
XPOA.
So GovX is actually our top gainer, and it's just continuing on the monkeypox. GovX. TNXP hasn't really ran yet. it was being stubborn with GovX. And Siga had a bad day on Friday. Let's see where it's at. Okay, it recovered some. It had a really bad sell-off towards the end of the day.
TBLTW.
Bitcoin over the weekend, it actually went up and tested around 25. It went to 24.7, rejected a little bit off of that, but it came back down to some support levels here. So Bitcoin's still in play, still held its gains. Overall, 23K is the support it needs to hold to continue higher. Do want to say thanks to the guys at MEXC Global for the sponsorship of the stream. So they are our first sponsor of the stream. They created us a landing page to create accounts for MEXC Global with a couple different deposit bonuses, a couple different trading bonuses, and you can check it out here. But yeah, Bitcoin holding relatively support level. It went to 25, but kind of pulled back. Same thing with Ethereum. Around 1650 needs to hold.
APPH.
Anything come out of 8 that I missed? Just pulled it up. Let me look. Through 750. 750 is going to be res. But through 750, maybe 770. These wicks and this resistance right here. And there's also support here. So 770 to 780, probably over 750. First target. And then, of course, over that's 8.
SWN.
It's got a 12K ask right here. Refresh the ask. So this is the breakout if it's going to break through 750 right here. 750 and then up through 754. 14K on the ask. 5, 4, 3. New ask popped up. Got pulled. Everything's got to be a battle. You can't just break through levels. Get out for nothing. Not interested in playing the games, especially this early on a Monday morning. See, and it goes right through now. I'm not interested in playing those games. You break through a level, you break through a level. You don't go down, wick down 10 cents, screw around. I ain't playing that game at 8, 10 a.m. on a Monday morning at the first day of August. Breaks should be breaks. And now we broke up to 760, right back down to 750. Hey, Gold Miner, what's up? Good morning. Good morning, Gerard.
TBLT.
Hey, Florida, what's up? Good morning. Welcome to August. So TBLT trying to pull through now. It was playing games there, 750. And I am not interested in pre-market games in August. GovX pulled back off of 450. Came down to the 20 EMA on the 1 and then hammered up. So it's actually curling a little bit off the 20 on the 1. It is up 58% today on nothing. It's on monkeypox. This one's frustrating though. And the fact that it's breaking loose now, that Siga and all the rest of them are kind of pulling back, it makes it even harder to play. Because it's no longer a sympathy, it's just got a mind of its own. Yeah, I mean, we haven't had it all year. Maybe the last breakout and push through that we had was March, maybe if we're lucky, Florida. But yeah, I'm not a huge fan of playing the games because you buy through a breakout level. If you're buying a breakout, which I was buying up here 750, and it was just down to 710. So if you're buying through 750 and it hits the resistance level and then drops down 10-15 cents, I don't want to play that. Just break through resistance. We don't need to go from A to Z. We need to go from A to B.
CNHI.
But now we're pulling back to the 9 on the 1, 760 level. It went right to that 780 level I was talking about. So right here is a little resistance. Oh my God, my voice just cracked a little. And then over that is 8.
TBLTW.
Yeah, I mean, if you can get 5 cents right now, it's fantastic. Fantastic. $0.01 a base hit, 3 cents, intraday swing, 5 cents home run is the way that I see it right now. So normally this will be a play again right here through 7-8. 7-8 gets swipe. It should instant be testing the high of day. 785. Yeah, nickel grand slam. Absolutely. Okay, so there's through 780. So that was actually a correct response. Now, why didn't this happen right here? And then one time it doesn't happen here, it makes me feel like it's never going to happen, and I miss candles like this. Now, this was the perfect example of buy through res. 780, 779, 780. Pop straight to 795. But you start to get the feel for a stock. You see, oh, it rejected here. It screwed around. It didn't push through. No follow through here. Why would I take it 30 cents higher on the same setup? And there's no reason. But there we go. Now it's breaking loose. But that's where we're at. I mean, screwball until it gets to the point where you're like, I don't want to play this. I don't want to play this. And then that's when it breaks loose. What was that noise? Yeah, for real, Florida. Now, this is not something I would buy through normally. This looks like a res.
CNW.
TNXP up to 199. GovX on a pullback though. Thanks for hanging out this morning, guys. It's Monday, August 1st. Traditionally a slow time in the market. Thanks for being here. Thanks for hanging out. We'll get something eventually. Forced to use 15-second charts. Yeah. Got to look for those micro moves. GovX hammer off the 9 on the 5. TBLT, high of day. Of course. It's gotten to the point where I wouldn't touch it with a stick now. This is the 1 minute. Super extended. And I think we get moves like this because shorts are so cocky now, and they're so used to a breakout is a full fail. So when it was breaking 750, they were hitting the bid, but it was actually something that was going to continue through. Yeah, TBLT is getting walked. Look how straight up it is. So to push through here, and then that smackdown that I got out on that I didn't like was shorts attacking, because 2022 in a whole is a breakout is a fail and a fake out. So they attacked that now, but the buyers actually came back in and pushed it higher, and that's why it's pushing. Just like we in years past have bought the dip on something that's been strong, they are attacking the top, you know, because that's the dip to them on a short. Okay, GovX tried to hammer, now pulling back a little bit. Back towards the 9. If you guys didn't see it, I posted a new video yesterday on volume and the importance of volume while day trading. Kind of went over the basics, starting out with like what is volume, what to look for, what is float, stuff like that, all the way into talking a little bit about divergence and stuff like that. So it's a little bit of a beginner lesson. Didn't get too in depth, but tried to explain like what volume is, why it's important, what relative volume is, etc. So you guys can see that on the YouTube channel. Should be under my videos. So yeah, this is, I mean, just like you said, you got to go to the 15-second chart, and even the 15-second chart on TBLT is extended. And in a minute, we'll see like a drop to 785 or something, or 780. It'll just be out of nowhere because it's floating in the sky right now.
Ojek.
We get 8:30 news in about 7 minutes now. Only thing in play really is TBLT. They listed some new items on Amazon. Only reason it's up is because it's been in play recently. And GovX
ITRF.
along with TNXP, monkeypox plays.
SUNW. IBIO. Top.
Govex with a little fake break there. I was trying to scalp that through the wall, 422. Broke 422, went to 425, and then back down to 415. So a little fake break there. TBLT going straight down now. So nothing with positive momentum at this very second. Maybe we'll get lucky with 8:30 news. Get a fresh PR. Yeah, Ace Hardware the other day.
ICL. GRFS.
Okay, so Govex down to the 9 on the 5. A lot of selling pressure now. TBLT, let's see. Nice hammer off of 8. Nice hammer off of 8. So came back down from the 830 level. A knife from 830 to 8, but then it got bought up.
TBLT.
This is today's trading body again. Just a low float, full of short trading body. Little daily res 860.
MDGS.
850 to 860. Yeah, for real. Govex at 109. So
BBY.
stupid. What a terribly trading stock. It's either on or off. It's either going straight up or you will get chopped alive.
CUSA.
So pushing up now towards 850 res. Are you still in this discipline? I'd be up almost $1 now on my original entry. Yeah. Yeah, they could offer anytime. Hey, AC, what's up? Govex doing Govex things.
AEMD.
Coming down to 4 now. Right here. What the heck is this? VRAX. I think AEMD is a monkeypox related stock too, if I'm not mistaken. So we got about a minute and a half until 8:30 news. We'll see if TBLT drops their offering there.
RBPH. ODEC.
Govex's a little bit of a 1 minute falling wedge too. I would wait till after 8:30 to buy that one as well.
Mito. CYRN. TYD. AEHR.
QLGN. Positive readout in triple negative breast cancer in vivo model. Yeah, the 8:30 dings. Mullins had a little fluff. That's it. That is it.
PSO.
TBLT got a bid proper now that they didn't have an offering. It's a 32K bid prop. Govex at the bottom of the falling wedge. It would need to bounce right here if it's going to bounce. Nope, straight to VWAP. Let's see if it hammers up. Nope. So they flushed it below the falling wedge, so it broke down below the bullish pattern for now. But that's just Govex. I mean, it's super trappy, very ugly stock. But it'll probably be back in play later today. I wouldn't be surprised at all. So no new news at 8:30. So we are stuck with GovX and TBLT. That's it. And whatever this is, VRAX.
NBY.
This song right now, it's just one of these on this playlist. It's called Love HZ. The Stream Beats by Harris Heller. So, GovX continuing to straight fall off a cliff. Under VWAP now. TBLT trying to round the top a little bit. VRAX still trying to push higher, whatever that is. I'm still not sure why that's up or why that fell off a cliff on Friday. Looks like a new IPO.
ANGH.
Oh, they got monkeypox, so they're a monkeypox stock too. VRAX.
ODEC.
So big red candle there on VRAX, 831 all the way to 785. TBLT falling down through the 20 on the 1. GovX can't even hold on to the 20 on the 5. Let's see.
RKLB.
Yeah, that's why QLGN keeps hitting. It's so thin on the level 2 though, you can't even play it. Biggest, I will say, I'm not gonna say the dollar amount, but I've had 6 figures both ways. Yeah. So, and they were both, I think, in the same month last year. It went from a really, really good month, really smooth, good follow through, into absolute chop fest, kind of like we're doing right now. And it was a bad day. So, hey, what's up, JD? Yeah, V-Rax is. I feel like they just put out a monkeypox PR just to be a part of the theme. Florida. Opened at 29 on Friday and now around 7. Yep.
XPOA.
They have 7 employees too. That's funny.
DM.
Galvex is trying to hang on by a thread. I'm not playing this stock. I tried to play it a minute ago, twice, on the falling wedge, and it just broke down below the bullish pattern like it didn't even exist. V-Rack's trying to get back over 8 and hold for now, right here. It probably will. It'll do something sketchy.
KRKR.
SPY's pulling back now towards 410. We had a massive run over the past couple days though, so it needs a little bit of a pullback. Yeah, TBLT just bounced again off of 8. So no 5-minute candles closed over 825, and it is trying to right now. It's the beginning of the 5-minute candle, but
Migo. Husa. MREO. WTI.
yeah, TBLT is just kind of sitting here waiting.
AEBA.
Discipline's right though. They do like to drop offerings in pre-market, so just keep that in mind. No stop losses in pre-market, so you gotta have your finger on the trigger.
WEBR.
There it goes though, 835. $842.
LTRYW.
843. It's trying to get up there through 845. 845 is the pre-market high on CBLT. I'm really surprised that they bounced it as many times as they did. So they saved it here, and then it went a little bit high, a couple cents higher. And it looked like it was falling off a cliff, and they saved it again at 8.
OJ.
I don't know. Do they have GovX have earnings on Wednesday? I have no idea. So it needs to get through 844, 845, and then it's got instant 20K ask at 850.
EJH. TBLT.
There's 845 break. This thing's acting somewhat correct now. Blew through that level. TNXP going up towards 2 again, even though GovX has fallen off. So it's almost like they're not connected at all anymore. None of the monkey box plays are moving together.
PSO.
Yeah, TBLT's showing some melt up strength again. It's kind of straight up.
QLGN.
Maybe. 10 today on TBLT. They're finally buying up QLGN a little bit.
XPOA.
GovX doesn't want to move off the 20 now. Yeah, nice entry, A12 right here. Good job.
SABR.
Hey, Broda, what's up? I heard Sun W hitting pre-market low scanner today. But it did have a nice run. It's not dead, but it's down to 220. Just a little sell-off. It was due a little bit of a pullback. Ran to 240.
EVFM. AEMD.
AEMD pushing now. So
SWN.
they're just rotating to different monkeypox stocks.
NWG. ICL.
Nothing going crazy right now, guys. Let's look at the overall market again. So it's pulling back under 410 now, 409.90. But like I said, it was due a big pullback. Like it could pull back to 405 today. It'd be fine. It's been on a massive tear. Bitcoin hanging on to 23.1 for now. Hey, good job. Good job on TBLT. Nothing wrong with that. Oh my God. When did the camera decide to back out? I need to figure out why that's doing that. So I've actually reverted back into my newbie state of taking profits super fast because there's no such thing as a breakout. So I mean, it took years. It took years to really get comfortable and what's going to follow through, what's not going to follow through. But all that's been erased over the past year and a half. So if you see your profits, take your profits. No reason to try to ride for a home run. I'd say the best thing to help you is to just scale. Hold 25% or something. But in this market, you have to revert back to, take profits immediately, or you are going to get destroyed. And take profits doesn't mean fully sell, but you need to scale some out. I'm going to step away for just a second. I'll be right back. Wait, what the heck happened? Where's my, Hold on a second, guys. I made a new away screen. I am going to get this to pop up. What are you doing?
PALT.
Okay. The whole OBS is like frozen. There we go. There we go. There's our away screen.
CELC tall. HL. CYH. RKLB. Teva. AEMD.
All right.
CGC.
I don't know why that didn't go to that immediately. TBLT, pre-market high, 96. Wait, where do you see 96 at?
CCL.
Oh, you're talking about right here. That was yesterday, or Friday's high. TNXP up through 2.
AMP.
Okay, it works now. I don't know why it wasn't working a second ago.
ODIG.
GovX is such an ugly trading stock. Oh my gosh. Just watching the action that it's doing right now. So ugly.
KRKR.
206 on TNXP, so it's breaking loose on its own over there.
JMIA. USOI.
Are you in TNXP? GovX looks bullish right here, but I could not tell you that I think it's going to break out one bit. I was watching it down near 190, but I didn't take it because GovX started falling off. So I figured, you know, they're still connected, but it's doing the exact opposite now.
FFIE.
FFIE, big dump. What up with that?
EJH.
Yeah, this looks bullish setup, you know, in years past. Break through like 405 to push high. See what happens at 9 a.m. though. See, look, it's trying to pull back. It can't even go up 5 cents. I guess it blew its load. Guess GovX just blew its load.
TBLTW.
Yeah, somebody said that a little bit earlier. GovX earnings on Wednesday.
WEBL.
We got 9 a.m. news in about 2 minutes. Yeah, TNXP, I mean, they're the same. They're the same way. They just move absolutely terrible. Hey, Callum, what's up? Good morning, good sir. I can see that gold miner. One more push. As long as it doesn't offer at 9 a.m. Here's your 820 test.
CPG. NYSC.
No offering yet.
OB. USOI. TRHC.
Just hanging around 837, 838 right here.
SNGX.
There's a little pullback on it.
SWN.
Market's still kind of falling. Down to 409 now. Low volume sell off, but it is falling. GovX back up to 405. Somehow, some way, market's still kind of falling off here. About time to rename the title of my stream here. That's better. Oil, yeah, oil down 3.63%. There's the GovX pop. There's your 9 a.m. nonsense on GovX. The old 9 a.m. nonsense.
New.
Market down, dollar down, Bitcoin down. Yep.
CNHI.
Gotta love it.
Codes.
You got a short QLG and off open. The news, it sounded okay, but I think it was just like an early readout in a model.
U.
Yeah, we're going down here, 408 now. 4870.
BTTX.
Hey, Jesus. Good morning. What up, what up?
Teva.
Yeah, we're jamming this morning. RMO? No, I haven't pulled that up. What up with that? Oh, Nikola is acquiring them? Interesting. So they're getting acquired. Surprised it's not stuck at the acquisition price. That usually happens.
CORZ.
74 per share. Interesting.
HBM. ODIC. USOI. YMM.
TBLT back through 840 here.
State.
Needs to get back above 850. There's 849. Little selling pressure up there near 850.
SWN. ETNB.
If TNXP stays right here till open, we have a nice little 30-minute chart cup and handle.
CPG.
Yeah. Yeah,
AMD.
TNXP. Let's pull it back up. Yeah. Even look at it right here. You can see it on the 5-minute.
OB. AMD.
But if you go to a bigger time frame, like you were talking about, let's see. Yeah.
CDP.
Or you can, I mean, even look at it this way. So yeah, it looks decent. Siga looks terrible now. Govex got back up to 420 after it was super ugly in this whole zone here at 9 a.m. It just decided to rip through.
COS.
TBLT still hanging around 850 here.
TRHC. KLR. DNMR.
855 now. It's not really explosively ripping through, but it is grinding up. Yeah, it's I think that we're gonna transition to a decent small cap market in the fall. This is, maybe it's just hopium, but I think we're gonna transition. So hopefully that it'll get better and there is a shift change into more bullish, but I don't know. Right now it's gonna be slow though, Cal. August is historically horrendous. But when there are runners and follow through, there's still short setups. Yeah, we're getting some positive signs. I'm gonna run and grab a Dr. Pepper. I'll be right back. Oh my God, it did it again.